I got another top boot for the Galaxie, and I think we'll put the top down and see if it fits. My confidence level on it fitting is very, 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 very low. I don't think it'll fit. Neither one of the other ones even came close. So anyway, I'm going to put the top down and we're going to give it a try. I unzipped the window and unlatched the top. So let's run her down. I haven't had this car out since the Harper cruise, so it's been about 5 days. I'm driving the Bel Air when I've been doing my running around for a change. Alright, let me get that boot unpackaged and we'll see how it fits. Totally as expected, it doesn't fit. Yep, so I can't even get this out far enough here. I got about this snap from here to here. I got a couple snaps here. None of this will snap. I mean, there's no way it's going to stretch as much as it needs to stretch because it's got this hard, that snap I had on just popped off, but it's got this hard plastic that these things slide in. And I've messed around with this thing for more than what I care to do. So this is going to the trash, and hopefully they'll refund me some money because I'm going to end up making my own. And I am going to take the car out, so I'm going to put the original boot top back on. Well, I have no problem putting the original boot back on the car. I don't know why they can't. Distinctive Interiors cannot make a top boot that fits this car. 3 times now, 3 strikes are out. I'm not going to deal with them anymore on it. Done with them. They can refund me partial money to the boot. And but other than that, the rest of the interior from them was pretty nice. The carpet, I think, is kind of, you know, it could wear a little better. You can see down by the accelerator pedal a little bit of wear in, well, I don't know if it shows up there or not. Tiny bit of wear in the pile by the accelerator pedal, and that shouldn't be worn like that. It's not in the Bel Air, and that's been in there a heck of a lot longer. So it's not my driving habits or anything. But yeah, so if you buy your convertible interior kit for 66 Ford from Distinctive, the top boot won't fit. So don't count on a top boot in the kit because it's just not going to fit. They've had three strikes and they're out on making a top boot that fits. So I'm going to contact them, see if they'll give me a partial refund for the cost of the top boot, and I'll make my own, I guess. I was going to include some video of going to the Culver's cruise. It was Tuesday evening. I took the Galaxie. That's why I put the top down and the boot on. I took it to the Culver's car cruise, which is every Tuesday evening. And it was a really good cruise again, but I didn't get any video of it because the camera I'm holding in my hand right now was sitting right there on the front seat of the Bel Air. And the camera case was zipped up and sitting on the front seat of the Galaxie, and I didn't realize the camera wasn't in it until I got to the cruise and unzipped the case to get the camera, and I thought, well, where's the camera? Then I remembered where it was sitting. So no video of the cruise, but it was a lot of the same cars. There were some nice cars there. There was a couple Packards there. If they're there again, one of them was a 100-point car, he said, other than the voltage regulator was the incorrect one, so he just got knocked on that. He said that was the only thing where he got points knocked was on that voltage regulator. He loved the Galaxie, the engine compartment and the detail on it, and yet he had literally a beautiful, I think it was, I don't remember the year, 37 maybe. Anyway, it was a beautiful Packard, all restored to factory original. And there was a Model A Ford, same way, 1931 Model A Ford sitting next to me that was just the same. But anyway, I'll try and remember the camera, so if you guys want to see more of that, you can. But anyway, yeah, that convertible top boot, like I said, this is the next day. That didn't, you know, it was short. I couldn't pull it out enough here to snap those buttons, and it wouldn't fold over the mechanism. So I don't know if they supposedly made it off of a another Galaxie, but it must not have had a top mechanism, because if it didn't have the top mechanism, I could have probably got it snapped on. But with the top mechanism, you know, sticking up here, none of these things would pull over tight enough, and that was pulling it hard enough to where, you know, I don't think I could snap it on the back part there. But yeah, it just doesn't fit. So I guess it looks like I'm making one this winter myself, so I'm gonna probably mess up 3 or 4 myself. So that's just life. But anyway, we'll play with that walking foot and do it. So I'm gonna wrap this video up. If you like it, definitely hit the like button. If you like my channel, please subscribe, and thank you for watching my videos.